Good morning. Welcome to E-mini Futures by Sell.com. This is Balasubramanian Iyer welcoming you. 15th of September 2017. I'm going to show you my live brokerage account and show you the main focus of this video is I'm going to demonstrate with a live trade and my live account how with small capital, this is for retail traders who have small accounts because they have lost a lot of money. So I want to give you hope. I want to give you confidence. I want to tell you that you have a bright future. Don't give up with a small capital how you can generate monthly income, and I'm going to show you live account proof, not sim trading. Before I go into that, you know, 2 days ago on September 13th, I posted a public video saying that go long crude oil. This is a swing trade. Oil is going much higher. I don't know how many of you took me seriously. This was on 13th of September. Remember? 13th of September. And you go and watch this video. Oil was somewhere here. And I said this was a day trading call, and I also said in the video many times that crude oil is going much higher and it's a swing trade. Go long, go live. It's a live trade. Crude oil has gone up almost $2 from here to here. Okay, this just tells you the talent. I'm demonstrating my skill and my talent. And let me tell you, how do I find these trades? Do I have a secret indicator? Yes. Do I have a secret software? Yes. What is the name of the software? What is the name of the secret indicator? Balasubramanian Iyer. That's me. There is no you, the human being. You are the best software. You are the best indicator. So if you want to grow and be profitable, you know the name of the secret indicator or the super software is Balasubramanian Iyer. I'm from Chennai, India, and I'm a Tamilian, and I'm proud of my heritage. Okay, but now I'm a Canadian citizen. That's a different issue. Now, by the way, A.R. Rahman, the Oscar Award winner, and Vishwanathan Anand, the five-time world chess champion, are from my state. So I'm also want to highlight that. Okay, now listen. So this was a beautiful trade. Now let's go to the focus of the video. How with small accounts. First, I want to tell you this is my MetaTrader micro account, mini lot account, small capital. This is my live account. I would just want to show you. This is my live account with ETX Capital live server 178193. This is account, and this is the demo. Okay, this is not I just want to tell you, I want to show you the live. Okay, so this is the demo account, $5 million. This is not what I'm showing. I'm going to show you my live account. Okay, and I'll tell you what I did, and I want you to what I did. I start the account. You can see the value of the account is US dollar 3,281. I put $600. Believe me, I put $600. I took it to almost like 1100, $1,200 this month with micro lot. This is all micro lot, mini lot trading. And then what I did yesterday, I posted this trade. I also sent out a email. Let me show you. I've been very bullish on the pound, but I posted a swing trade signal September the 14th, 8:50 a.m. We had GBP USD as a buy in the past. We gave a buy on September 5th. I'm the first person in the entire world. I'm repeating again, I'm bragging. I'm the first person in the entire world who had the talent, who had the skill to call a buy on the British pound on 5th of September. And I also actually said that pound will have a massive breakout to the upside. And again, I reiterated my trade call. We are giving a buy again in pound US dollar. So I asked my clients to go long again on pound US dollar. And in fact, in my public video itself, I talked about this. Okay. So I went long, and you can see I just put my trade, I had my stop loss and everything. Now you see what happened. I made $2,167. Do you see that? Pound mini lot, micro lot I'm showing. This is not futures account. Mini lot with a London broker, 2000, and now I made $2,000 overnight, and now my $600 has become $3,281, and we are only 15th of September. I have 15 more days to go. Okay, so I'm going to, after finishing this video, I'm going to my bank, and I'm sending a wire request to my broker. I'm going to pull out $2,200 or $2,300. That's my monthly income. Okay. And I'm going to leave $1,000 in the account, and I will play this $1,000 for the remaining 15 days of September. So I'm trying to tell you how those retail traders who have lost money, who have small account, don't give up. There is hope. There is hope, but you must know how to knock on the right doors. Don't waste your time with indicators, technical analysis, trading room, paying thousands of dollars. These are all a rip-off, a scam. Go to the right source. Rely on a human being, an academic professional. I'm a chartered accountant, I'm a CPA, I'm a CGA. I have three professional degrees. I'm studying for financial planning exam, and I have a big exam coming up in December. Mind you, I'm studying now. I don't have time for trading. But whenever I have spare time, I do some analysis. That's how I'm coming out with this trade. If I really focus 24 by 7, I can come out with more trades. But I'm preparing for an exam right now. But you see, what I want to tell you, with $600, now this account is $3,281. And I showed you in one trade in a mini lot, I made 2,100. So you too can make this money. The reason I'm showing all this, I want to give you hope. I want to give you confidence. You too. In fact, you can do better than me. You can do better than me. I made some stupid mistakes in this, okay? By the way, I also want to tell you something. When I was long pound trade, I was in a webinar, okay? And at the webinar, I'm not going to name that person. That person was bragging and he was telling how. And when I was in the webinar, I had gone long and pound was here. Okay, pound was here. And in the webinar, this so called master trader was telling all the clients in the room about Elliott wave. And he said the pound is in the fifth wave of the Elliott wave. And who is buying here? The way Online Trading Academy will be asking, who is buying here? A novice buyer, dumb people. So at that moment, I was thinking, oh, you're calling me dumb. So I'm the novice guy. So he was telling, only dumb people buy here after the market goes up. Novice traders are buying. Who will buy in the fifth wave of the Elliott wave? Pound has already gone. No, and I was already in my live trade at that time. You know, I was already in my live trade. I was thinking, oh my God, he's calling me dumb. Okay, so, can you imagine how I was feeling at that time? I'm bloody in a live trade, and this guy is telling he's supposed to be a master trader, and he's saying you should not be buying here. You should be booking a profit or whatever. It should be giving. Pound is going to crash. Pound is going to crash. And he was doing all Fibonacci, moving average, all kinds of technical analysis to tell the client that pound will collapse. And pound actually had a minor retracement. You see that from year to year, and everybody in the room was they had their aha moment. Aha, this genius technical analysis guy, he's right. Pound is going to collapse. Aha, aha. I was thinking, oh my God, these people am I dumb or these guys are dumb? I was asking myself. But let me tell you, friends, I was 100% confident. Self confidence is the name of the game. I went to my religious room. I offered my prayers to my Hindu God. I'm a Hindu, Tamilian Hindu. I offered my prayers to my Hindu gods. I said, God, I trusted you. I put faith on you. I did my analysis. I'm not looking at technical analysis. I'm not looking at the stupid indicators. Pound is going to go up. I know. I have faith in God. I have faith in myself, in my ability, and I let it go. And then last night and today morning, I wake up. I booked profit. I came out. Will the pound, by the way, you want to know what the pound will do? I think it will continue to go higher. By the way, you want to know what the oil, I'm telling you in a public video. If this crude oil, you know what is it going to do? It's going to break this 50.5 and will go higher. Watch. And it may not happen today, but by Tuesday, because Wednesday is the inventory report, by Tuesday, oil will break 50.5 and go up. I don't know if it will happen today or Monday. But if it does not, then I'll be wrong. Again, you have to be humble. It's very important that when you trade, humility is important. Always pray to God. If oil does not go break that and it does not, I will learn. I will try to, because I'm making a public call that it will break 50 and go higher. So if that does not happen by, I have no ego. Okay, have no ego. Be humble. If that does not happen by Tuesday, I will analyze where did I go wrong in my thought process. I don't care about these stupid indicators. Don't waste your time. with software and indicator. They will fail you. You will blow your account. I'm telling you, the secret indicator, the best software in the world is Balasubramanian Iyer, the guy from Tanjavur in Tamil Nadu. He is the best guy. Okay, so I'm doing some bragging and promotion, but I'm demonstrating to you the talent. By the way, I also gave a trade on the Japanese yen. I said the US dollar Japanese yen will go up on September the 10th. By the way, I want to show you a testimonial from Dr. Nabil. He's a doctor who works in a medical hospital in Dubai. He just sent me an email today. Good to you. Wow. Two targets hit with profit today. US dollar, they are flying. They are flying. I tell you, the personal coaching by you is wonderful. No other service does this. I will definitely recommend you for my family. Dr. Nabil Ansari. He's coming from Dubai. This is a practicing medical doctor from Dubai. I'm showing you a live testimonial. Okay. There is a saying, if you brag about yourself, that is advertising. But if your client praises you, that's called branding. So I'm more interested in branding and not advertising. So this is branding. A doctor in Dubai, live testimonial. I just got it September 14th from his iPhone. He's saying, I will definitely recommend you. And I've got more testimony. He actually sent me one more testimonial. I'll show you in my next video. By the way, this is the long oil signal, and I'm showing you all legal proof. So I gave on 5th of September, I said go long pound. Again, I reiterated. One more thing I want to tell you, in my swing trading signal, I give everything. I spoon feed everything. I identify the market, signal date, whether you should do market or limit orders, where you should put stop loss, where you should put target. I also give the key for those who are technical analysis crazy gurus. I give the key buy points, and they give the C sell point, support, resistance. I identify all the price points, and there is a way you can use them to manage your trade. Everybody is asking where I should take profit, where I should. So this will help you. One more great thing I do, which no other trading company, no other trader does, and that is this forex calendar track. I tell you in advance what are the key events. You see, for example, in the pound, I waited for all these events to finish. Then you see, do you notice something? What I did on September 14th, I gave a buy on pound. Okay, I could have given the pound on 13th, on 12th. No, I waited for all these events to be over on 14th. After this, all this was over, then I gave the pound, because now I know what is the next date on the pound is 29th of September. So from 15th of September till 28th of September, if the road is clear for pound to go to make a big move. Same with the ECB euro, road is clear. So when you are trading, and I'm giving you, see, for example, New Zealand dollar, GDP is coming, rate decision is there. So you should not trade New Zealand dollar in between these 2 days. You will get whacked. So once the rate decision come, now you can initiate a trade. This is a fantastic service that I'm providing for, and I look ahead. I don't look back. Proactive thinking, proactive planning in a glance. So today I know the only important news is retail say that's over. It has come out. I have nothing to fear. Tomorrow I have Aussie 18th is Aussie dollar. So I will not trade Aussie dollar today. Why? Because on 18th there is a policy that can screw up your Aussie dollar trade. See, this is intelligent thinking, intelligent proactive information. How you intelligently factor all this is important. People don't do all this. They just blindly trade looking at the chart. They just blindly trade. Don't do that. You'll get whacked. Okay. See, I said go long USD yen. That means short the Japanese yen, right? That's the opposite. This is, look how much Japanese yen went down, which is another way of saying how much US dollar Japanese yen went up. Okay. So going back to, and I'm very proud of my crude oil trade. Okay. I'm very proud of my crude oil trade. I made one blunder last evening. I wanted to give a sell on gold. I should have given, I didn't. But anyway, coming back to, I do make mistakes like everybody else. But the theme of my video is, I'm not trying to brag about my winning. This is a live account. I'm showing you how with $650 in the beginning of September, now it's 320. I'm going to take out my $2,300 and leave the 1,000 and play the game. So with such small capital at risk, as long as you know what you're doing and you have the right person who is working with you, you can generate a stable monthly income. And I'm not risking, you don't need to risk $5,000, $10,000 and all that. You see? with very limited capital, $1,000 max. I don't put more than, for these mini lot, micro lot, you should not be putting